Tiffany from Assembly. Right now I'm planning on 5S'ing this glass insertion area. Right now we have a different system for our bins and how we get these clips. So right now we don't really need this much inventory here. So we're going to reduce the inventory here, set up a new Kanban system for the stuff we do have, and clean this up, make space for a new jig, and yeah, we're going to 5S it.
Thank you.
Hey, so it's Tiffany here, partly through our 5S of this area. We're realizing that there's a lot more inventory to get rid of than we initially thought, and it's not organized at all. So we are going to find a system to limit the amount of inventory we have here, and also organize it. Hey, it's Tiffany at the glass insertion area. I've done previous videos on what I'm going to do, the changes I've made. We've removed a whole row of the containers for the glass clips, and that whole mess we had, we now organized it in 2 pull-outs. Thanks to the drawer loop, we got some pull-outs labeled. Now we have reduced our inventory by the amount of space we can use, so we can't get too much of one thing. And also we know exactly how much of each size of clip that we have available to us. Now it's a lot more organized and we can track it a lot better. And that's my 2-second lean. Thank you.
All right.